The Union of the Comoros, an archipelago state in the Indian Ocean, is long known for its rich culture, natural beauty, and exotic crops. Today, the archipelago sits at the front line of climate change and at the center of a powerful opportunity. Because here, restoring forests isn't just about trees, it's about water, food, livelihoods, and resilience.
Effectivement, on a senti sur le terrain, bon, on est sur le terrain, on fait la culture, on cultive, mais bon, si on n'a pas de rendement. Mais...
Across the Comoros, forests once acted as natural infrastructure, holding soil in place, feeding rivers, protecting coastlines, and stabilizing rainfall. When forests disappear, the impacts cascade fast.
On s'est dit, bon, pourquoi tout ça? Bon, il y a eu trop de sécheresse, la terre était nue, donc il fallait quand même des nouvelles actions.
Working with local communities, the Ministry of Environment, with support from the United Nations Environment Programme and the Global Environment Facility, set out to take action.
Ils font toujours cette exploitation de forêt afin d'utiliser cette énergie soit dans la cuisine, soit dans les constructions, ou bien dans les préparations des huiles de girofle ou bien d'ylang-ylang.
Between 2017 and 2022, communities planted 1.4 million trees, restored critical watersheds, and built water tanks, improving water access for tens of thousands of people. The project also supported alternative livelihoods, reducing pressure on forests while increasing income. Average household income rose by around 20%. That shift matters because poverty and deforestation reinforce each other, but resilience breaks the cycle.
So we can avoid up to $500 billion each year economic loss by restoring ecosystems and mangroves at a much lower cost than that. So it would make absolute economic sense to do so.
Un champ nu et un champ qui est bien garni avec des arbres, la différence est énorme. Un champ nu ne produit rien, un champ où il y a bien garni avec des arbres, le propriétaire peut avoir beaucoup de choses, peut gagner beaucoup de choses.
This reforestation project in Comoros is what climate action looks like when solutions are rooted in nature and led by the communities that depend on it.